I built this before, but it's a different color. The ugly plane. So this that I built.
Yeah. So you just have to put the sticker on the one to make it nicer.
It's gunting ba? May gunting.
Yeah,
You're gonna
afterwards.
gunting what you want to, so you can stick there.
Okay. Just have to cut
My
it
friend
later.
told me how
Yeah, later have to cut it. You fix that one first.
fix or build.
Yeah, build.
What am I doing? Yeah, pirate.
Fire, fire, fire. This one is Spitfire, is it?
No, they lied to me. It was a hurricane.
Hurricane. How do you know how you differentiate the hurricane and
I seen YouTube all the time.
this is during the war. World War II,
Ya dulu apa jadi?
the Nazi. Which one is the Nazi plane?
Pernah.
What's it called, the sign?
What?
The Nazi
Which
logo.
one size?
The logo.
This one.
Swastika. Yeah.
The German cross.
The German cross. That one is what? Another Nazi?
Pernah.
You're going to build?
American.
American. American fighter plane?
Yeah. German, Brits, and America. The hell is that? It's scaring me. Stop it.
It's a buzz, buzz, buzz.
Buzz. Scissor.
Why do you like to build all those planes?
What?
Why you like to build all that?
They were beautiful. Something.
Working your brain?
I need something. I need something to place them on. I need to clear all of these.
Later.
Why is stuff here? This stuff supposed to be.
That one is a technique that Lego that Daniel built in 4 days.
30. Where is it?
Okay, I have to go now because my battery is going to go very low now.
Okay.
Okay, once you complete that, then I'll record it again.